Well, first of all, I think it's really important that everybody engages with the consultation. Everything that is said from the public is shared with all members of the council. Lead members, backbenchers, all 52 members of the council see that consultation, and that's before any decisions are made. We welcome suggestions. In fact, there's an opportunity in the consultation for people to respond with any areas, any service areas, any suggestions they have for service improvements, service changes, and indeed service cuts. It is important that people feel that they're not constrained by just focusing on those areas, whilst we have focused on those areas because those are the ones that we're trying to currently work hard to make some savings and some improvements in service at the same time. It should only take 5 minutes. We've tried to make it easier. One of the reasons that we have slimlined it and made it more focused is first of all to make it easier for people to respond, and secondly they can very quickly come to the point where they can add their own consultation and their own comments about service changes that they would like to see. Please take part, because it really is 5 minutes of your time is all we're asking.